So what are you shooting there?
CZ-22 long rifle, bolt action.
How old are you?
5.
All right, let's see. You already got one loaded, right?
And my dad, when he first got his own gun, he was 16, right?
Yep. You got one in there. Go ahead.
And, oh, well,
It's already loaded.
Like this. Pull it up, push it back, push it forward, and oh, don't put your finger on the trigger while you're trying to aim, and
Nice shot.
then do it again.
Close the bolt.
Never forget that. And there we go.
Did you hit it?
Nope.
Oh, you're supposed to say yeah.
No, I didn't.
Oh. At least you put your hand underneath. Front hand underneath.
It is.
Yeah, right there. Finger off the trigger. There you go. All right. Nice.